What's up guys, it's your boy Chow Balls. It's freezing cold outside, but today I'm gonna be showing you the difference between the FX3 and the iPhone 15 with log footage. We're at the spot, we got the windmills, shoot the truck. It is super dirty, so don't judge me. So let's get it. We got the FX3 on DJI RS3 Pro with the Sigma 50mm. Let's set up the iPhone. I have the iPhone 15 Pro Max. I'm gonna use it on here with an external drive. So with the iPhone 15, you can shoot 4K 60 frames a second as long as you use an external drive. Go to video, so then we'll do ProRes log. So it should. Alright, so now you'll see it's set to ProRes log 4K 60 USB-C. Set up again. Let's take a look at this footage. So we can see that the iPhone footage is very high quality. I wouldn't say that it's really necessarily comparable to the FX3. The sharpness of the FX3, the bokeh, the detail. You can see the dynamic range is even better on the FX3. I would say that the iPhone has come a long way, but I wouldn't compare it to a cinema grade camera. There's also 3 issues that I ran into trying to film with the iPhone at 4K 60 frames a second. The first issue is even over a Thunderbolt cable, it still has trouble connecting to the external drive. You could see that I was getting this error right here multiple times before it finally started working. The second issue is sometimes the files are corrupt. They didn't save correctly and I can't even open the files. The third issue, the video doesn't save correctly and there'll be frozen frames. It starts out okay. The majority of that is just a bunch of frozen frames and it's very choppy. It looks like out of all of that recording, only a minute of it was actually usable footage. These issues with reliability are not good to have, especially if you're doing client work, because you can't rely on your phone to work properly and to save properly. Even if you do go through and it seems like it's working when you're filming, you'll get back home and see that you'll either have corrupt files or you'll have frozen frames. In my opinion, it's not worth it to risk that. Even though the quality has taken drastic steps to get better, having a dedicated cinema camera, you just can't beat it. Especially when it comes to cameras like the FX3. It's a super reliable camera to use, to have. You know that it's gonna work, you know that it's gonna give you quality results every time. Having a reliable camera is extremely important when doing client work. If it's not for client work, the iPhone 15 could very well be passable. The quality is there. My biggest issue with it is the reliability. With pretty much any type of client work, you need reliability in a camera. And the iPhone 15 using an external drive just doesn't have the reliability there. But this has been my comparison between the iPhone 15 Pro Max and the FX3 at 4K 60 frames a second log footage. If you want to see a comparison between a 4K 30 frames a second, which doesn't require the external drive, leave a comment below and I can make that happen. Hope this helps you. If it did, make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one.